Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron a shirt perfectly easy guide. Begin by setting your iron to the shirt's recommended temperature and filling the tank with clean water for steam. Unbutton cuffs and collar, then lay the shirt flat on the board and smooth fabric with your hands. Work in a calm, steady rhythm so the iron glides without forcing. Keep a spray bottle nearby to miss stubborn creases quickly. Start with the collar by ironing the underside first and then flip to finish the outside, pressing from the points toward the middle for a crisp look. Next, unbutton and flatten each cuff, pressing from the seam outward. Use short bursts of steam for stubborn folds and reduce pressure on delicate fabrics. Keep the shirt supported on the board to avoid new wrinkles and let each section cool briefly before moving on. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel grow and lets me make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. There's a book I love called The Simple Path to Wealth that can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with learning simple, effective habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Work the body by ironing the front panels one at a time, using short strokes around buttons and seams. For sleeves, slide them over the narrow board tip and press from shoulder toward cuff for a smooth, tailored appearance. If you want a crisp crease, fold carefully and apply a single steady pass. Always hang the shirt immediately afterward to cool and set the press, which helps maintain your effort all day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.